Today, share a delicious meal with eggplant. These are 2 eggplants I just picked from the tree. We first peel off the skin of the eggplant with a peeler. No. Do you like this green-skinned eggplant? In fact, this green-skinned eggplant tastes better. Its meat will be more tender. After all peeling, let's cut it into thicker slices first. The thickness is about 1 centimeter. Then cut the eggplant sideways into long strips. And then we cut it into little pieces. The length is about 3到4厘米. Cut it all up and put it in a large bowl. Next, sprinkle a spoonful of salt into it. Then pour a little more water over the eggplant. Because eggplant is particularly prone to oxidation, added and salt can prevent the eggplant from oxidizing and turning black. Next, we will prepare a green pepper, cut in half after going to tea. Then remove the chili seeds inside. Next, change the chili to a knife and cut the long section. And then finally, the chili is shredded like this. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a small section of green onions. Cut into long strips first. Then change the knife and cut it into scallions. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a small piece of ginger. Slice them up. And we cut that into little filaments. Cut it and put it together with the green onions. And then finally, a few cloves of garlic. Slice the garlic too. The garlic can be cut a little more. The garlic flavor is more intense. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Friends who like spicy food can prepare a few dried peppers. Cut it into small pieces with scissors. Next, add a spoonful of cornstarch to a small bowl. Then pour in a small half bowl of water. Stir well with a spoon. Let the starch melt. Such a water starch is ready. It's almost time. We will control the water of the eggplant soaked in water. Out. Squeeze out the excess moisture in the eggplant. Squeeze it clean and put it in a large bowl. Here we go. Add a little more cornstarch to the eggplant. Potato starch is also okay. Then grab and mix well with your hands. We are going to make each piece of eggplant can be evenly dipped in a layer of starch. Form a protective film on the surface of the eggplant. That way the eggplant won't absorb too much oil, and the starch is on the outside. It can lock the moisture in the eggplant. Finally, grab and mix it in the imaging video. That's it. Next up, pour a little more cooking oil into the pan. I used canola oil today. Throw in the chopsticks and make dense that means small bubbles. The oil temperature is about the same. We put all the eggplant into the pot. Flipping with a colander. Prevent eggplant adhesion. Then turn on medium and low heat and fry slowly. The eggplant through. Don't start a fire here. Otherwise it will be burnt outside. It's not ripe inside. Let's fry the eggplant until it's golden brown on the surface. Take it out first. Then the oil temperature rises again and scavenge it with a lick. When the oil temperature rises, pour the eggplant down and fry it again by refrying. The surface of the eggplant will be more golden and crispy. Eggplant fried like this, it will be more crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Finally, it exploded into the video, so that's Take it out first and control the dry oil for later use. Next, add a little cooking oil to another pot. After the oil is hot, pour the onion, ginger and garlic down and fry until fragrant. After frying, add a little white vinegar. Add a tablespoon of white sugar. Then add the right amount of ketchup. I like spicy food with a little bean paste. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the sugar melt inside. At the same time, stir-fry the sauce out flavor. The color. Dear friend, you have seen all the videos here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Thank you for your continued support and encouragement. Finally, we fry the sauce inside like this. Just bubble it up. Then add the chopped green peppers. Simply stir-fry a few times. Shredded green peppers until dead. Finally, drizzle with water starch. Cook with thin thickness. Then start a fire. Just keep the soup until it's thick. This time, you can put the fried eggplant into the pot. Then quickly stir-fry it a few times. Just let all the eggplants be stained with the sauce. It's very simple. The delicious sweet and sour eggplant is ready. The eggplant fried like this is crispy on the outside, sweet and tender sour on the inside. The whole family loves to eat. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video.